Yeah, so hi.
Hi.
So before starting it up, congratulations on receiving the Outlook Business Spotlight Reality Award. So here I have some of the questions from our side to you. So these are very simple, as I said. So what do you believe set your project or initiative apart from others in the same category?
First of all, thank you, and we are seriously honored to receive this particular award. And coming to us, setting us apart, we do a lot of R&D in the industry when it comes to our particular product, and also the variety what we have is something which is setting us apart, and also the detailing which we take care when it comes to the service part, which actually helps us to stand apart. And the way how we work with the architects and interiors, yes, that also helped us to grow day by day and then set the standards high.
Great, sir. Next one. How has this recognition influenced your professional journey and your approach to future projects?
Definitely, I mean, these sort of recognitions will help us to improve, and also keeps reminding us that your standards are high, and we need to reach new heights. So we want to earn these sort of awards more and more. So every time when we see these sort of awards, it reminds us to set the standards high.
And to be unique again.
Yeah, to be unique again, of course.
Next one, sir. Can you discuss any key partnership or collaborations that you were instrumental in the success of your project?
Yes, of course. I mean, recently we have done some of the hospital projects, which have actually set us apart. I mean, Yashoda were our clients, so the hospital industry, what we were targeting, has actually given us a slight edge when it comes to our particular industry. And also, this helped us to focus more globally as well, not only international projects. And we were planning to tap the global market. So that is helping us to achieve big.
Great. Again, looking ahead, what are your plans for future developing or expanding upon the success of your award-winning project?
See, the personalization of our wall covering is something made us till here. So we want to focus more on a personalization of our particular product. And as I mentioned earlier, that we have done decent R&D on this particular thing. So we want to tap the global market in such a way, like we want to produce designs globally, which actually helps particular country. We are actually keeping the country and also the state and the local market in mind, and then creating our designs.
Okay. Great, sir. And the last one. In your opinion, what measures should the government implement to create more favorable environment for real estate development while ensuring benefits for end users?
See, the government plays a major role in this particular industry, so we always require some sort of support from the government.
True.
According to me, I would request government to provide us more of exposure when it comes to the showcasing our projects, and also the exhibitions would help us a lot. So I want government to come up with one bank kind of expo where we can actually showcase all our products.
Beautiful thought, sir. Thank you so much. It was wonderful having you both here.
Thank you.